Very first message of the day. We are going to play Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons. I got it off of the Steam network. They had a lot of good holiday sales going on. I believe that's going to go on for a little bit longer. So if you get the chance, check on Steam, get some good games for cheap. A lot of them are $1.50. I don't even know anything about this game yet. Just got it. Wanted to play it with Let's Play video and get started right away. So if you bear with me, I'm going to get this booted up really quick. Like this. This game is designed specifically for a controller. So if you have one, please grab it and hook it in now. Wired directly into your system. Usually it works better if I restart. Oh, there it goes. Okay, there we go. And you can also get a wireless device if you need to. It looks like this little guy. It'll sync up with the wireless, and it has, I believe, either drivers that you can download on the internet, or it comes with installed drivers already on it. So either way, we're going to get right into this and see what's up. Sup. Oh, such a good Unreal Engine. I'm going to get right into this and play some games. A very long time ago, Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons. That's how it kind of seems. Press start. And so magical trees fell from the sky, and a brother said, "Oh, this is sad." A new game. Just chapters, but it looks very beautiful right now. Everything blissful. I think that's very sad. And so our story starts with a young man kneeling in front of grass, looking up. For his little rose has died. First of all, very powerful introduction. You can sort of feel that this kid's going to have a very strong emotional development throughout the whole entire game. Maybe he's going to be driven more than his brother. I don't know yet. But so far, very serene, very beautiful. I'll try to make jokes when appropriate, but I can't promise. So far, can't understand what they're saying. It makes for a more realistic version of their civilization, their people. Maybe it's the first tutorial of the game. You wheel your father into the house. Yep. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. That's kind of cool. A little cooperative single player. No. Oh, there we go. I think the left one controls the left brother. The little brother's like, "What are you doing? Let me do this." He's like, "Oh. Yama." Look, father, we've a sidestep for you. And have a little fun on the way. Smell them flowers? I'm so sorry, father. I have dealt it, and you have smat it. The shit, why would they put that there? On the side that's farther away. Oh my gosh. Get it, brother. Get it, brother. I want to help. Oh, that's kinda... Okay, now I understand. I thought it was gonna, like, rise up. Okay, don't fall in. Got it, little big brother. There we go. Yeah! It's kinda cool so far, the way it's working out. Okay, big brother is going to have to climb up. Ooh! Oh, I see. Little brother. Oh, they made it very cooperative. What if you're not tall enough to do that? Then you have to call a bridge keeper. Yeah, this is like patting your stomach or your head and rubbing your stomach. Okay, big brother is gonna go there. Let's. Hey. Wait, what? Can you not do it? Go. Go. What? What? Oh, I see. Maybe. Drop that down for him. Yeah, this is a village made. What are you doing? You better get away from that ledge, little guy. They say if you know how to play this game well, you can do that. Patting your head and rubbing your stomach really well. Craig. And I feel like there would be no way to really play this game unless you had two people. Alright, so you're gonna go. Okay. You're gonna go right there. Great orange-haired man. I shall name this man Alchemo.
Mafi Sadi Abaya Vida Wade Lia Ada Tai Haru Saiki Wela Tarida Amarai Fikano Ladavi Alem Omaru Kurusabe Kite Otolade Miyaki Abadi Naya Taliro Akihoe Yada Tia Mari
It's kind of cool because it kind of developed this a language for them. Here we go. Which way? That way. Bala Ahi. Kakuma. Alright, what? What? Are you serious? Dude. What a
Hey, Nai!
penis. God. Doesn't even let two little brothers through.
Iada Tabi Ana
He says he can't swim. But I was like, dude, I'll carry you across. Truly? He's like, yeah. Let's do this, bro. No. I know. I got this. Dude, piece of cake. The environments are so... Ooh. And then they were like, screw that guy. Yeah. Whoa. Really? So here we have a dick. You can already... Oh, okay, he's... Oh, oh, oh. Oh, okay. Oh, oh, oh. Come on, get up there, little guy. Qua. Go. Qua. Together. Oh, God, and that's gonna mess me up for them to do it together. Okay. Ah. Yeah, go up to the wall. Oi. Okay, you go first. I'll go second. Okay, little brother. This is really messing with me because I got the little brother on the left side. Okay. Okay. Drop him. Don't even. Yeah! Where's that guy that has a stick? We're gonna beat him up. Nobody likes him. Oh, yeah. What do you want, man?
Yeah.
Alright. Rotate. Oh, it rotates it for us at some points. Ita, up. Oh, man. Oh.
Follow you, big brother. Follow you because I...
Hey, Nai!
Oh, it's coming, man. Give him a sec. See if I can do it at the same time. Oh, 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 oh. What is that kid doing?
Hey, Nai!
Why are you just sitting there watching, man? Oh no. No, your father doesn't love you. I got this, man. Oh, get him, boy. Get him. That dog needs to, like, run faster. Yeah, so here we go. He's like, get down! Get down! I didn't know you could do that, but that's really cool. Just cherish this moment for a little while. Come on, get him! Bite him! Here we go. I'm on it. Aw, little kitty! I have 3 cats, so that's kind of cute. Alright, here we go. Alright, going this way. You can't interact. Aw, look at that. Harley, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come to me. Come here. Come here. I'm gonna show you guys my cat really quickly. Come here. One of them. This is Harley, and she's been with us for about 7 years, same as her sister. She is a big freaking cat. She will not be playing games. But she's really cute. Who loves you? Who loves you?
Nobody loves you.
Oh. My other cat Selena just puked up all over the couch. I'll be right back. So I'm back. That was really gross.
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Aww. So I think they're trying to symbolize that the little brother has more of a tender heart, but what happened to him was really terrible. And there we go. That way? Okay. Oh, I forgot which way I was going. Dude, that's my bucket of water.
Så här ja.
Maybe the big brother?
Anna, when hadi?
Oh, okay, so I work together with my little brother. Here we go. No, I can't run straight at all anymore. I was doing a really good job in the beginning of this game. And now the story commences. People drink out of that. Maybe not as tender-hearted as I thought. What's up here? Okay, so there's a lot of stuff for you to do as the brothers. You can knock on doors and stuff. One can spin in wells while the other one just kind of looks in it. And talk to people.
My turn, I wanna sweep.
Never mind. Alright. Cha-cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha. Go!
Da! Atta!
Go.
Atta! Da! Ja!
So you can't play with... Oh, never mind. Score! What? Go for it. So they have basketball. I'm not gonna do everything like that, just purely because this is a kind of like a playthrough. But if you get this game, try and figure out like everything that you can do as the brothers. Maybe like climbing up a tree or something. I don't know. We're gonna see.
Atta!
What's up, man? No? Okay, so let's see. Where do we go? I gotta rotate the camera too. Huh? Oh. Okay, so there's this way. Huh? Ah.
Push with me.
Here we go. Let's work together, yeah. Maybe no, you just play the harp. Got a drunkard here. Squirrel. Okay. Oh. Oh crap, oh crap,
Neater.
Run together! Where you at? Too far!
Hey!
Hurry up.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Pay attention to me. Oh, there we go. See you, doggy. What? What? Huh. Whoop. I need like a montage music thing. That'd be the end of the game. What the? Yay. Okay. We go again? Whoop. Give me a second. I'm like talking to myself now. I'm climbing a rope. I'm gonna drop it down for you. This is like the beginning. Cool. Okay. I want you to go first. Okay. And up. And final up. Very nice. Very nice. Whoop. Whoop. Okay. Let him be free. Be free, little one. I don't know if I should have done that. Okay. I'm gonna catch up. Oh, yeah, I see that ledge.
Ki? When hadi?
That way. Oh, yeah, that way. Oh, I see. Here, you get in there. Oh, two. Oh. Just gonna pick up a sheep. Come here, little buddy. Oh, there we go.
Atta!
Whoops!
Atta!
I dropped the sheep, man. Sheep just rolls. There you go. There we go. Ta-ta. Let's work together. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. I'm just like one at a time. I have a feeling like later on it's gonna get a load harder. Okay. Something really weird sounding's going on somewhere. Some mischievous. Oh, man, that's maybe crying. Oh man, they got trolls in this game. Perhaps it's like a Jim Henson appeal.
Hey! Maru!
Maru? When hadi? Da?
Dude, he's got gauges in his ears.
Sa?
Da, ja.
Oh, oh, oh crap. Yay!
はい
Wow, holy crap.
Tia!
ほんなったない
Thanks, dude.
Oh, whoa!
There we go. Up, up, up. Aha. No? Not that way. Oh, he's coming. Okay. Hey, hey! What's up, big? Oh, God! Yeah. Thanks. Super mushroom troll. Ooh, lighting effect on that rock's a little bit off. That's alright. Oh god, oh, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Ah! Crap. Saw that coming. More tossing, I love tossing children. Earth ball, come to me. Aw, look at this guy.
Da
Yeah, let's do this. Wherever they're giant, man.
Hey, come on, come on.
Oh, I was a. You are a rockstar champion troll. Get up here. It's gonna put up there. Huh. Ah. This game got a whole lot more playable for me, just because of the fact that they added this troll as some more elements to the gaming style. But and you might kill yourself because you might think that you have a hold of the cliff, but then your brother does not have a hold of it and he falls. It's like, what the hell? Maybe Big Brother? Ah, dude, I almost killed him again. It's part of the element of trying to use both hands. It's just really hard sometimes. Eh. I did it. For the brother. Ooh. There we go.
ないほんだ
Dude, wait. He just died. Give him a chance. This is where he fell last time. See, I was like right there, I think. I let go. I was really afraid to let go that time with the right RT button. The right shoulder button. Alright, here we go.
わ
Yeah!
What
ーはい
the?
ない
Oh!
Oh crap, he hit the wall. I don't want to do this. Ah, it's nifty. I'll climb him over that way a little bit. Oh, there we go.
Hey,
Yeah.
ない
Yeah, dude. Are you first? Oh, together. Okay. What? Natural thing. He's just like bossing it up, carrying us around and stuff. E2 has experienced loss in his life. Yeah. Is that? Oh yeah. Oh cool. Little brother can't swim. There you go. No, let go. It kind of feels like everything's in cinematic view too, since it's widescreen. It's really fun to watch and to make a game play video out of it. You come, dude? Come on.
Yeah.
Bye, big dude. I named Troll Big Dude. Oh, we're in the dark caverns. Yeah, it really is like, kind of like, I don't know, but it has a dark crystal type feel to it. And if you've never seen it, it's a Jim Henson movie, and it was really fun. Kind of like you had these bird-like things, and then you had, I'm gonna create little puddles with him, my little brother, just running around. Bird-like things, and they're all after this dark crystal that this I want to say kind of ratty race-looking people have, are more mousy. They're not disgusting looking, but I can't remember the full details of it, but it really was an amazing story that Jim Henson and his team developed together. So if you ever get a chance, look it up. Run together, run together. Ooh. Little brother's gonna watch him. Okay. Huh. Saving. What do we got here? We got turbines. Maybe we'll meet the big giant troll's wife sometime. If she is lost, then maybe not. Ooh, ooh. Okay, we got. We're gonna get that side. That's my bro. That's my bro. I don't exactly know where this is supposed to go though, so we'll have to see. I want up there. There you go. Come on, up, up, up. Okay. Oh wait, wait, wait. There we go. Bigger space. Sure. I've done enough moving. This is, yeah, it's like a really fun story idea, trying to play this. But there's this obstacle in the way. Maybe? Maybe we can stop it. Ready? And... oh. Yeah, they could have destroyed a whole entire life of a people by doing that. Who knows? Maybe the next game will be called Tale of Two Brothers, Brothers on a Run. Okay, so you got that side. Nope, he's got that side. Okay. That way. Spoon. I don't have side timer, so let's go. There we go. Okay. Okay, this way. Ooh, ah. Ah. There we go. Come on. Whoops, daisy. Oh, maybe. Huh. Oh man, how do I do this? Because I'm pretty sure I can't make it. Maybe you can climb over here. Maybe he needs to find a rope. Or maybe... What are you doing? Grab on that! Imagine maybe this is the troll people's realm. Very nice. Underground dwellers. Up, yeah, see, look at that. I didn't see that. What's down there? I imagine maybe they aren't as nice as the other guy. Bath time over. Just the fishies. Get me again. I have a chair. Fun little break from the game. Get a little splash break. There we go. I got it. Okay, wait. Nifty. See, look at him down there. It's kind of like how some factories have it. You're the one that didn't hold on. Give him a little bit, yeah? Frick. Okay, so we're gonna go over here. I don't know why I just did that. Huh. Keep cranking. Doing this just in case anybody sees those doors shut. I'm still cranking this thing. And he's safe. Okay.
Ah.
Right there. Forward. Those have a fight. No, not doing it. Not doing it. You can do it yourself. I ain't doing it. Nope. I ain't climbing that rock. Game would be ruined. Yeah, just get your fall. Because I am a good big brother.
Hey, Nai!
He's coming, man. I kind of want to stop to give it a break for right now, and you guys can go and buy the game. Like I said, for the holiday sale, I don't think it's $1.50 anymore. Okay, don't let go. Don't let go. Okay, I don't remember. But I'm gonna take a break here pretty soon from this game, and post it on YouTube. And you guys can decide for yourself if you really want to buy it. I actually really like it. I'm gonna finish this up in another video. I don't know how much farther I have to go, but I mean, you got so much going on here, and it's definitely worth it if you wanna like tell a story to other people about. Okay, there. Tell a story to other people about something like this. You know, you could create your own. It would make it easier for you because this gives you ideas. This is an original idea that's hard to come by nowadays. It definitely has that. Oh, crud. It definitely has like that feel of eco. You know, where you gotta. What was that? Where stuff kills you, and you're upset about it, but you don't want to say anything to the people that are viewing you, because you know it'd be inappropriate. Okay. Crap. So I'm going to stop it right there for right now, and I really do hope you guys check in this. If they ever have a demo, try and play the demo. And I'm going to get off right now. This is Bugg signing off the Bugg Show. Something me and my friends decided to come up with. Watch me next time as I try to play this game again and finish up the story. We're gonna have a conclusion, maybe.